Now, we can't speak about drift without speaking about how Wallaroo helps us address it. We can see our data is indeed drifting. To tackle this, we've decided to train a new model, but before we completely replace our currently deployed model, we've decided to compare the two using a shadow deployment. The good news is, with Wallaroo, we can use the same workflow we followed to deploy our initial model to do more advanced deployments such as shadow deployments and A/B testing. We can see how a few minor changes in our code can help us get there. For this example, we have two models, our current model and our new model. We upload them the exact same way as we did with our initial model. We then change the add model step call with our add shadow deploy call, and everything else stays the same. Inference is exactly the same way. Wallaroo takes care of ensuring the right models are called during inference. And once the experimentation is finished, by using Wallaroo's built-in hot swapping functionality, replacing the control with the challenger model is just 2 lines of code.